Having spent more than 12 years as an expert in pensions and investment, I've observed a universal truth. The gap between financial stress and freedom isn't about luck, it's about strategy. Across the globe, the top 1% think differently. They reject the work-spend-repeat cycle and instead build systems that generate lasting wealth. Here's how you can adopt their mindset, blending Western financial principles with uniquely African opportunities to secure your retirement and create generational prosperity. Your circle shapes your financial future. The proverb, "If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together," holds profound wisdom. In both Western and African traditions, the people around you influence your habits, beliefs, and opportunities. Take inventory of your inner circle by drawing a tree with 5 branches, labeling each with a key influencer in your life, and describing them in 5 words. Those 25 words reflect who you are becoming. If they don't align with your financial aspirations, consciously expand your network through local investment clubs or global platforms like RiseVest and Cowrywise that democratize wealth-building knowledge. Own assets, not liabilities. The wealthy prioritize assets that appreciate over time: real estate, productive farmland, and dividend-paying stocks. While someone buying land in Lagos Lekki district a decade ago saw exponential growth, others were spending on depreciating cars and gadgets. The key is letting your investments fund your lifestyle rather than relying solely on your salary. In Africa's emerging markets, this might mean investing in agricultural land, renewable energy projects, or dollar-denominated assets to hedge against currency volatility. Fuel your goals with obsessive clarity. Wealth creation begins with what Napoleon Hill called a burning desire. Consider the Ghanaian teacher who turned a shea butter side hustle into a global brand by writing down her vision daily. Start by defining a specific financial target. Perhaps, invest $500 monthly in farmland and ETF with the aim of achieving a $500,000 fund in 10 years. Writing and reviewing this goal daily trains your mind to spot opportunities that others miss. Plan with precision, act with urgency. Research from the University of California shows people who write goals are 76% more likely to achieve them compared to 43% who merely think about them. Break your financial vision into 3 layers. Start with the big picture of financial freedom. Establish quarterly milestones like saving 20% of income, and take immediate actions such as opening an investment account this week. In markets where inflation erodes savings, dollar-based investments provide essential stability. Ask how, but not if. When presented with an investment opportunity, the wealthy don't ask, "Can I afford this?" but rather, "How can I afford it? How can this grow my wealth?" A Nigerian entrepreneur facing a $50,000 property doesn't walk away. They explore partnerships, financing options, or crowdfunding solutions. This mindset shift from scarcity to creative problem solving opens doors to wealth building possibilities. Create luck through action. Consider the Johannesburg investor who started with 1 Airbnb room and reinvested profits into a portfolio of short-term rentals. Africa's rapid urbanization and tech boom present countless such opportunities, from e-commerce to renewable energy. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't lies not in luck but in taking that first step, however small, toward financial independence. Build income that outlasts you. True wealth comes from creating income streams that work while you sleep. In Africa, this might mean rental properties which capitalize on the housing deficit, dividend stocks like Safaricom, or digital assets like online courses. Even modest investments of $100 monthly in a low-cost ETF can grow to six figures within a decade through the magic of compound interest. Your path forward starts today. The journey to financial freedom begins with decisive action. Audit your inner circle's influence on your financial mindset. Make your first asset purchase, even if it's a small stake in an agricultural crowdfund or an index fund. Most importantly, write down your specific financial goals and review them daily. Remember the wisdom of the African proverb: the fig tree you plant today shades the generation of tomorrow. Your future self, and your descendants, will thank you for the actions you take now. Begin your transformation from saver to investor today. The top 1% didn't wait for perfect conditions, they created their opportunities. Now it's your turn.